What if I told you that your financial future is already being decided, but not by you? Instead, by your habits, your mindset, and the decisions you make today. Think about this. What if 10 years from now, you wake up in a life you don't even recognize, stressed, broke, trapped in a job you hate, not because you didn't work hard, but because no one ever taught you how money actually works. And no, just saving money like your parents told you won't make you rich. Unless, of course, you have 150 years to wait. So if you want to escape this fate, you need to start now. Because the reality is, wealth isn't built by chance. It's built by choice. And today, you're going to learn how to make the right ones. Welcome to FinCraftology, where I help you craft a wealthy future, step by step. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you why personal finance is the #1 skill you need in your 20s, how small financial mistakes can cost you crores in the long run, and how to set up your own personal wealth plan starting today. Let's dive in. Here's a painful truth. Money doesn't care how smart you are. It only cares about how smartly you use it. Most people don't realize this until it's too late. They graduate, get a job, and suddenly EMIs, credit card bills, taxes, boom, their salary is gone before they even see it. And the worst part? If you don't control your money will control you. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine two friends, Raj and Samir. Both earn $50,000 per month. Raj spends everything on lifestyle upgrades, new phone, weekend parties, expensive clothes. Samir, on the other hand, follows a simple money rule. He saves and invests $15,000 every month. Fast forward 10 years. Raj is still stuck in the same cycle, while Samir now has over 50 lakh growing in investments. Same income, different choices, completely different futures. Raj thought future planning was just a WhatsApp forward his uncle sent him. Oops. So, how do you make sure you end up like Samir and not Raj? The answer lies in one simple shift: learning the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is the easiest way to start managing money without feeling restricted. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, bills, groceries. 30% goes to wants, travel, gadgets, fun. 20% goes to investments and savings, stocks, mutual funds, emergency fund. Sounds simple, right? But here's where most people fail. They ignore the 20% part and just plan to save later. The truth is, if you wait to save until you earn more, you'll never save at all. And let's be real. If you can't save when you earn 50,000, you won't magically start when you earn 2 lakh. Lifestyle inflation will eat it all up. Ever met someone who says, "I'll start going to the gym next Monday"? Now, how often do they actually go? Exactly. So, let's fix this. Here's your first action step. Start with just $5,000 per month. Automate it. Make saving effortless. And if you're thinking, but where do I invest this $5,000? That's exactly what we'll cover next. Imagine this. You invest $5,000 per month in a good mutual fund that grows at 12% per year. Here's what happens. In 10 years, you have 11 lakh. In 20 years, you have 50 lakh. In 30 years, you have 1,76 lakh, all from just $5,000 per month. That's the magic of compounding. Your money makes money, and then that money makes even more money. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest. But if you invest, you can become one. So, if you're in your 20s, you have a massive advantage: time. Even if you start small, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. But what if you don't have money to invest right now? What if you're drowning in loans? That's exactly what we'll tackle in the next video. How to escape the debt trap and become financially free faster than you think. Your challenge: start saving and investing your first $5,000 this month. Automate it, set it, forget it. Comment below. What's your biggest financial challenge right now? I'll be answering the best ones in the next video. Subscribe to FinCraftology and turn on notifications because we're just getting started. See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay wealthy.